how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, I'm Rose. Welcome. And if you like food and you like things that are awesome, I don't know. Anywho, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and a little notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, because everybody else in the Veggie Rose fam is notified, so why get left out? Join the team, join the family. I would love to have you here with us. Today we're going to be making a very simple, easy recipe, and this is a pumpkin pie crescent roll. So let's get started. Let's get veggie. This is a super duper easy recipe. However, I will still link it down below with the full recipe and all that good stuff. We have some pumpkin puree here. Not too much, because this has to go inside of our little crescent rolls, which are small. We're also gonna be adding in some sugar and some pumpkin spice. You can do all of this to taste pretty much. And we're just gonna mix this up, mix it all up. Next thing we're gonna do is grab our crescent roll. We're gonna unroll it. And if you guys would like to see more fall recipes, I will leave the playlist linked up here so you guys can check it out. I will also link it down below. And, and I will be releasing my Christmas or holiday vegan book on November 1st. So officially, you guys are hearing the release date. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have already heard the release date. It'll be November 1st. It's gonna have a bunch of delicious holiday and Thanksgiving and fall recipes and all that deliciousness so that you guys can check it out. Also, the new website by now should be up and running. So if you check that out or check out any recipes, you will see the new website. So again, I just separated all this stuff. I know, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. So many new things going on. Next, I'm gonna add just like a little tiny spoonful or spatula full of this filling right into the center. And next, we're gonna roll these guys. So I'm literally just rolling it like that, all the way down to the bottom. And at the ends, I'm just gonna kind of pinch the ends. And I'm gonna continue to do this with all of them until all of them are completely rolled. Now that all of these are rolled, I'm actually gonna sprinkle on some extra sugar over top so this could get all nice and brown and caramelized with the sugar on them. I'm getting really generous with the sugar. You can put as much or as little as you like. And these are gonna go into a preheated oven, 325 degrees for 15 minutes. All right, guys, so we're back. These guys are out of the oven. I've let them cool for about 15 minutes or so. And we're gonna give one of these a try. Which one? Which one should I try? I like this one because it's like starting to peek out the side a little bit, but it's also a little brown. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. Here we go. Oh. Disclaimer, I don't have a sweet tooth, but this is so good. It's like a subtle, delicious, flaky pumpkin pie donut. That's what it tastes like. These are so good. If you guys have a quick craving for pumpkin pie, you don't feel like making a whole pumpkin pie. By the way, I have a pumpkin pie, vegan pumpkin pie recipe right up here. I'll link it. I'll also link it down below. If you don't feel like making a whole pumpkin pie, then you could definitely make some of these, which are super good, just as good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it so other people can see how delicious vegan food can be, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Mwah.